It's Gary with Barnes Life Georgia edition, and today's the first pretty day in a while. We have been having a lot of rain, and I am able to work on the fence today, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set y'all up on time lapse, and y'all can enjoy the fun. Right here I'm building the bottom of the fence panel. I use a 2x6 with a 2x4 screwed to the top of it, and the 2x6 gives the whole panel rigidity and keeps everything nice and square and strong. Here I've cut the side 2x4s to size, and I'm screwing them to the top and the bottom rails. Now that I got it all screwed together, I can make the cleats that'll hold the hog panel in the center of those 2x4s. In order to make the cleats, I cut a 2x4 up into 3/4 by 3/4 strips to use as the cleats around the inside of the 2x4 frame. Okay, so the next thing I gotta do is put the cleats on. I got them cut to the thickness, but I gotta cut them to the length, and then I'll tack them on with my cordless nailer. And then once it's tacked on, I can pre-drill it and screw it down. So here we go. Put it in here. I got all 4 cleats on now. Now I'll pre-drill them and screw them in with screw. So I got to show y'all something. It's the cutest thing. I heard some banging going on in the house, and Lisa's working in an office with Paige, and the babies are here. So I decided to go in and check it out, and here's what I found. Hey babies. Oh, y'all done moved, look. Hey, baby girl. Hey, you gonna cook? You getting all the food out? You getting all the food out? Charlie? You getting all the food out? Hey, Anna. Y'all cooking? That's what they were doing. Well, that was cute, but I gotta get back to it. Here I was pre-drilling holes in the cleats and screwing them down. All right, well, I got it screwed together and this one is complete. 4x8 hog wire fence panel. I've got all that I can do done today. I don't have any more materials. I need to go get some 2x6 and some more 2x4s. I think I got this section to put in and maybe one more, and then I start the curve to go along the contour of that driveway. So that's going to be interesting. So today's next day after I built the panel, and I wanted to include some video on installing the panel in line with the rest of the fence. And I've already used the auger on the tractor to dig the hole. I got the post just loosely in there, and I'm about to connect the panel to both posts. Gonna get it level and straight, and I'll video that. We'll time lapse it. Right here, I was trying to get the fence panel level and straight and get it clamped to both of the 4x4s. Once I get it clamped and level, then I pre-drill and then screw the panel to the post. Here I'm mixing some concrete to cement that post in place, and got that done and spread that dirt out evenly. Okay, so I got this latest section in, this level, and it looks straight. No glaring issues. These these wire hog panels, I guess what they call them at Tractor Supply, they are not always exactly the same. So dimensions on that section are a little different than these previous sections. So I'm having to build the frame for it custom each time. Yeah. Can't wait for drier weather, and then I can stain everything I have and start cutting these posts down to look uniform in height. I think I'm gonna leave them about 3 inches taller than the taller one, the taller section. So 3 more inches. Then we're gonna put one of those copper caps with the lights on them. That'll look good. saving my logs up for the sawmill. And I think I'm gonna build a lean-to off the end of the barn there for the sawmill to go in. And that'll be its forever home. Unless I need to take it somewhere and it's on a trailer, I can do that. So can't wait to get that done. I can start cutting some logs here. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video of the making of a hog wire fence panel 4x8. Y'all have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next one.